love visuals. In fact, we are wired to respond more to visuals than to words. That is why we are so hooked to Pinterest and Instagram. This is also the reason why Facebook posts and tweets with images get linked and are retweeted the most. Recently, a news of Kerala elephant death triggered nationwide outrage. Every random person posted a poster of that elephant, showing the gruesome death of that elephant and simultaneously giving a powerful message, urging people to be mindful of the problem and pay attention on it to find some solution. And it actually worked. This shows that something which is visually presented has a greater effect on our memory. Poster making is one such visual means of communication, wherein we express ideas aesthetically. It's a well-known fact that the human brain can process visuals faster than text. That is why, for reaching out to the extended public, visual content is best. In class 11 and 12, poster making is the part of English writing skills syllabus. It's a type of short composition with weightage of 4 marks. Generally, there are two types of poster. Poster for awareness of a social problem and poster for an event. Poster related to social problem may deal in important and significant issues. For example, disaster management or ill effects of plastic, prevention of drug abuse. It could be to make people aware of the necessity of conserving water, etc. So all these issues, if presented through the medium of a poster, the intended message can be clearly communicated to the targeted audience. Poster of events may include cultural show, exhibition, Diwali fest, fete, seminar, workshop and fair, etc. In case you are drafting a poster for awareness of a social problem, there are certain value points you need to remember. For example, details associated with the theme, or it may include effect of the problem and solution to the problem. The given poster is based on conservation of water. So we begin by writing a catchy title because a poster is designed to be put up at a public place. So it should be designed in such a way that it catches the attention of the passerby. Next comes the slogan. It could be a jingle or short verse. Here we have written, "Water is the essence of life." You can also use rhyming words to create a slogan, but it must be based on the theme. For example, speed thrills but kills, or you can also write pollution needs a solution. After slogan, you need to write details about the subject, which means details associated with the theme, which may include effect of the problem and solution to the problem. In the given example, the effect of the problem is water level going low dangerously year after year. And in case of solution, we've given rainwater harvesting and 2 points related to it. So just in simple phrases, we can give both the problem and the solution instead of writing big sentences, lengthy sentences. The word limit in poster is 50 words, so you cannot afford to write extra or irrelevant content. While writing all these details, you need to remember that the content should be organized in an appropriate style. It's not that you will give solution first and state the problem later on. So the overall organization and sequencing of the matter is must. Now when you have given all the details related to the subject, You will end the poster by writing the name of the issuing authority or the organizer. And it is a must. Generally, children miss on this information. So please don't forget to write the name of the issuing authority. In case you are drafting a poster for an event, you need to remember certain value points. For example, name of the event and who is organizing that event. It could be a fete, a fest, or a Diwali Mela. Next, you need to mention the purpose of the event because it might be a fundraising event or maybe for some charity. So do mention the purpose clearly. You can also make a small illustration related to the theme of the event. Here we have made a diya as the theme is Diwali. So accordingly, you can make a visual. Next, you need to mention the date, time and venue of the event, just as mentioned in the sample. Also refer about the entry tickets or passes. Give the highlights of the events as shown in the sample. Lastly, mention relevant contact details. And don't forget to mention the name of the issuing authority, which is very important. So, the name of the individual or the name of the organization who is issuing the poster needs to be mentioned at the end. Last few things which you need to remember are: poster should be creative and related to the content. The theme should not be vague at all. And please do not spend much time on illustrations, that is, making those drawings. Written language and expressions will only help you score better marks. So this was all about drafting a poster for a social problem or an event. And I hope after knowing and understanding all these details, you'll be able to draft an engaging poster.